Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshay and in today's video I will give you one job opening information about the Power BI consultant. So this opening is from the Infosys Limited and the job location is from Pune. So let's see the job responsibilities and the exact requirement what they are looking for. So here they are looking for the person with the at least 2 years and above work experience in analytics field. Okay. The job title is Power BI consultant. Educational requirement is BSc, BCA, Bachelor's of Engineering in any stream, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MSc. So it is open for I think every technical degree holder. And yeah, let's see the responsibilities here. So a part of Infosys consulting team, your primary role would be actively add consulting team in different phases of project, including problem definition, effort estimation, diagnosis, solution generation, and design and deployment. So this is something is development and deployment related tasks, specifically for reporting and dashboards on the process, business process specifically. The next is the you will be explore alternatives to recommended solution based on the research, and you can advise and you can come up with the solution based on the exact problem in the different tracks or in different projects, and you can highlight through your visualization or through your reports. So for this you need to be good in communicating with the stakeholders or different teams, different cross functional teams on different level. So you should be able to at least communicate effectively the technical fields. Okay. Yeah, so this is the whole thing is on same. So I hope you got this point here. Then see the what is additional responsibilities for the role. Ability to work with the client to identify the business challenges, contribute to the client deliveries and all. So this is something, if you have the 2 years of experience in analytics, then this is a part of your day-to-day life. Yeah, so there is no need to put any extra points over here. The next one is the awareness of latest technologies and trend. This one is also important one. If you are working in any projects, then you should be up to date with the with technologies, yeah, and the trends in the market. So this is an additional benefit if you have logical thinking and problem solving skill along with the ability to collaborate. Okay, so again this is a part of the day-to-day work. So this is the same thing, ability to access the current process, identify improvement areas and suggest the technology solutions. Okay, and one or two industry domain knowledge, this is a very good thing. So if you are holding at least entry level experience in analytics field, then this will come with your experience only. There is no other way to gain this is something can be achieved through your experience. Okay, the next thing is the technical and professional requirement is the data analytics skill, reporting skill, and a good exposure on the Power BI. So they are looking for the person having a very good skill on Power BI only. So there is no additional skills they had mentioned like in many other jobs. Employer mentioned SQL, Python, different fancy tools, but they mentioned only Power BI in this one. So if you feel like this is a right fit for your job, and if you have a very good understanding how to work on the Power BI tool, then you can go ahead and apply for this job. I will keep this link into the description so that you can go ahead and apply. And I hope you liked my video, so hit a thumbs up button and share with your friends who are looking for the jobs. And till then I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.